Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this 2-pack of solar string lights with remote. So these outdoor lights are pretty cool. If I can open it here. Something in there. Alright, so these are a ton of lights here. And this comes with the remote here and a couple little stakes to put these in the ground for their solar panels. So check that out. We have a little solar panel right there, and it tells you when it's charging. That's pretty sweet. It's just charging off my light right here. So solar and USB. It's got a 6-hour timer, and you can change the different modes probably to come on automatically. So this can go right into the plugins here, and it comes with 2 of those. That's pretty sweet. So we can use that to power stuff right there. Okay, so here are the lights, and these are basically like Christmas lights here. You could use them for, I guess. These are for outdoors, so they should be somewhat water resistant, and you can get these in a bunch of different colors. So these are 105 feet long with 300 LEDs, but this looks pretty sweet. A lot of people, if you have like a backyard patio or something, and a lot of people like just decorative lights just all over it. This really makes it look nice during the nighttime or whatever, and you go and hang out on your patio or out by your garden. Some people put them around their fence just to light up their backyard and just kind of give a nice little look there. I like that these are just solar powered, and so we can just plug it in and just forget it. Use our little it comes with 2 remotes there, so we can, one for each one. We can adjust however we want it. So that's pretty sweet. And let's see. The remotes has like 7 different modes on there, you can see. And dimmer or brighter, and then the timer, how long you want it on or off. So that's pretty cool. You could just go step outside, turn on your lights or whatever. I'm pretty excited to see how this looks though. So I'm gonna go up in the backyard and set this up. Should be pretty cool. Okay, my friends, here is that. I just put them over the fence here. It looks really nice. You can put them wherever you want to. See, and we can just mess with the different settings here now. So that's on. That's number 1 setting. Number 2 is they're all like flashing. That's really cool. Here's number 3, switches back and forth. Number 4 is a fade in and out, and when it switches settings it goes off and then it tells you. So those fade in and out. This one, just they're all dancing and making a bunch of cool lights. Number 6 is this one. The remote actually works. I'm about, I don't know, probably about 10 feet away, and the remote's working nicely here, guys. So before I said it's, I don't know, I think there's 300 LEDs on just this one, so this double, but they really make a nice little demonstration there, and then I can dim them if I want to dimmer or bright all the way. Okay, and then it has a timer and on, off, and reset. So really cool lights here, guys, and I like how it's all just powered by that one little solar panel I have right down there. I don't know if you guys can see it in the grass there, but it's, man, I'm really impressed with it. I think it looks really pretty. This is just one of them too. I don't have the second one out yet, but the second one would go pretty much all the way over to my fence over there. So it looks really nice. And if you're just gonna do like, even for like Christmas lights, you can put them up on the gutters or whatever, pretty much anywhere you want, and you're not bound by plug-ins, so you just have your little solar panel. Thanks for watching, my friends. This also, I'll have to show you real quick. The solar panel has a little clip on there too, so you can either put it on the ground or just like clip it onto your gutter. Okay, friends, so if you want to use this, it just snaps in there. This is what I had in the ground right there. That just snaps in, and then you could put this on the ground, just stick the stake into the ground, or this could be just right here. Just clip it on your gutter, on the outside of your gutter, so it's still going to get sunshine and stuff like that. So that's really cool. And then the plug-in, you just screw it into the bottom. There's only one way to go. It's got the 2 holes right there, and pretty impressed. I like the lights. It puts out quite a bit of light. You can really see it. It really kind of just makes wherever you got. You could, if you have like a pergola outside, you could hang it on from the bottom of that and just make it pop. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.